get an end unit townhome, then you should go for it. We're over here at Firethorn, lot 59, and we are looking at the Marigold model. All right, so it's starting to rain out here a little bit, but here is lot 59. The Marigold model is a 1-car garage and 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Here's your garage and a driveway area. Here's your covered entranceway, and let's go check out the inside. All right, like the other models, we're gonna have our garage, our storage, and half bath on this floor. Here's a look at your garage. And you got the water heater in here. So here's your kitchen area. Again, you've got the refrigerator and all the appliances do come with the unit along with the blinds. So these ceilings are pretty high. They're about 9'4", I would say. Plenty of room in here to put a dining table and your couch. You got this extra window here because you are on an end unit. More light coming in. Here's a look at the pantry. Upstairs we've got 3 bedrooms. They're still working on this, so you can see little stickers and things that they're gonna need to do. You've got this little spot right here. You could put a bench or something. Your air handler and the washer and dryer. Here's a look again at the washer and dryer. Bedroom to my left is the master, which is a pretty big room. I like this closet. It's nice, it's big. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Here's your shower, and this comes with dual vanities. Down the hall, we're gonna have our bath and 2 more bedrooms. Bath with a tub shower combo, single vanity, extra linen closet right there. Bedroom 2, a little bit. And then here is the 3rd bedroom. When the builders start these developments, they want to get some sales right away. So they usually have really good incentives at the start of the building. They got a lot of inventory right now, and if you guys are in the market for a townhome, definitely come check this unit, number 59, out, the Marigold model. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, Amy and Tom with Keys to the Coast Real Estate. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.